When it comes time to clamp the top and the bottom, I'm going to make spool clamps. We got to cut a bunch of 1-inch dowels. It's like a curtain rod piece of wood. And my little miter saw, a nice square cut. And then we'll put a bolt through it with some cork. We'll be able to like clamp it, and with the wing nut screwed on. We'll show you later. But I'm going to cut all these up, as many as I can, before having to buy more. Okay, this had a chance to dry. We'll take off these clamps and then work on our braces. So we start out with this.